Welcome back guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to mine Verge on Nvidia GPU using CCMiner. So as you can see on whattomine.com, Verge is currently the most profitable coin to mine. If you would, for example, mine with GTX 180 Ti using only NiceHash, you would be only making 67 cents of profit after the electricity compared to mining Verge where you would get $1.60 after the electricity cost. So Verge is currently the most profitable, so it would make sense for you to switch to mining Verge instead of using NiceHash for at least some time. So this will work only on Nvidia GPUs, and all of the links will be down in the description for you to follow me and do everything just as I do it. So the first thing we have to do before we can even start mining is disable our antivirus protection. And you have to do this so the antivirus doesn't delete your files that we are going to download later on. So for example, I use Avast and I just click here, right click on the Avast shield control and disable it for at least 1 hour so you have time to set everything up correctly. So you're done with first step. The second step is you need to have the newest Nvidia drivers, or your drivers have to be at least version 3.8.7 or newer. If you're not sure what kind of version of drivers you are running, you can check it like this. Just right click on your desktop, select Nvidia control panel and wait for it to load, and you will see it in a few seconds. So if you don't see a screen like this, you can click on this little button home here and it will take you to this screen. So you can see that my version is 391.01, so I have new enough drivers for CCMiner to be successful at mining Verge. So it needs to be at least version 3.8.7 or newer. So after you download this, you can move on the next step. The next thing we need to download is Notepad++, and you can go to link down in the description. You have 32 version and 64-bit version depending on your system. And we need to download this so we can edit config files later on. So after you do this, you have to go to the Verge website, and it is vergecurrency.com/wallets. And over here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see you have Windows Electron wallet, and you have to download Windows Electron wallet and not Windows Electron Tor wallet. So just do as I did it, and it will work for you perfectly fine. So when you click download, it will give you a zip file which you can extract using 7-zip or WinRAR or whichever program you use. And after you extract this, you will get a folder like this one. So you just double click this electron xvg.exe and it will take you to the wallet creation process. So I'm not going to show you step by step how to do it. You just basically click next, 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 and just save your seed words if you lose your password. So when you try to open Electron wallet, it should look like this. But if that doesn't happen, if it gives you an error, and some people get error that wallet is not connected, and it will say right here that it is offline. So if you have this problem, it is really easy to fix, and I'm going to show you right now. So you just click here, Tools, go to Network, and you have to enter this right here, e1.verge/electron.com, and your port number needs to be 50,001. So you just need to set it up correctly like this, and uncheck this use SSL. It has to be unchecked, proxy has to be at none, and you just click OK, and your wallet should start synchronizing. So we just fixed your problem if it by some chance happened to you. So we need to go over here on the receive, and this will be our address wallet that we are going to use for mining. So this is the wallet in which you're going to get paid your Verge coins when you mine them. So you just save that somewhere safe, and we are going to use that later on. The last thing we need to download is, of course, the CCMiner. And as I said before, this is only for Nvidia cards and it will not work on AMD cards. So just click here on CCMiner x64 or x86, depending, of course, on your system, if it is 64-bit or if it is 32-bit. So you will also get a zip file and extract it. And when you do this, you will get a folder like this one. And now we are going to have to edit this CCMiner config file, and that is why we needed to download Notepad++. So just right click on that, press edit with Notepad++, and you will get screen like this one. And it has to look exactly like this one. Of course, your screen won't look like this because you didn't edit any files. Your algorithm needs to be set at x17. The server on which you are connecting has to be set exactly like this one, stratum+tcp, yiimp.eu, and port needs to be 3737. And over here in user field, you have to enter your wallet address from Electron wallet, which you can see here on the receive tab. So just copy that here and put it between those lines. Password needs to be X, or it can be something else, but just put it as X. It doesn't really matter, and it works perfectly if your password is set like this. You have all of this down in the description, so you can just delete all of that and copy and paste my file right in yours. So once you do that, you can click save button right here and you can close this config file. We don't need to use this anymore. So right now you have everything set up correctly, and only thing left to do is run CCMiner, and we're going to run it and see if we have any problems. So when you run your miner, it should say like this, that it connected to the server and it found your GPU and it is mining with x17 algorithm. And in few seconds we will start getting shares accepted or shares rejected, depending if we did everything correctly. Just to check if our GPU is working fine, we can use some program like GPU-Z and see if our GPU is getting utilized. So our GPU-Z is showing that our GPU is getting utilized at 98%, so it is working perfectly fine, and we are getting some hashing done. It is using 222 watts, it is 63 degrees, fan at 34, and we should soon get share accepted like we did just now. So, congratulations, you've set up your miner fine and you are mining Verge with X17 algorithm, and you are making more money than you would be making just by running NiceHash. I'm going to try to do one video like this every day for the most profitable coin on each day. And if you just follow my videos and spend like 5 or 6 minutes per day, you can get double the profits, depending of course if the coins are more profitable than on NiceHash. But just like it happened today, if you just watch this video, you are making more money. And tomorrow we might do Monacoin or something like that, we are going to see. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you want to see in another one, or if you have some problems with mining Verge, and see you soon. Bye.